My name is Robert Buchanan. I go by Bobby. My office is the law offices of Robert B. Buchanan, and we handle family law cases. It's primarily divorce, but we also handle custody, grandparents' rights, child support matters, and orders of protection. Getting a life-changing result for a client feels fantastic. The reason we do what we do is because people come to us when they're having a real problem. It's affecting them in a very personal way. If you're getting divorced, it's because one chapter of your life is closing and another chapter is opening. So when we can help someone through that transition, we're giving them a new opportunity, new possibility, which is a very gratifying and satisfying feeling for us as a law firm, being able to help people right then. Clients hire us for three main reasons. First is our reputation. We work incredibly hard to build our reputation of professionalism, integrity, and honesty with other attorneys and with judges, so that when we're representing clients, judges listen to what we say and listen to the arguments we're making, so we're able to get better results for our clients. The second reason is because of our experience. Everybody from myself to our attorneys to our paralegals has been practicing family law their entire career, so we're very familiar with the laws at hand and how the court system works. The third reason is because of our compassion and empathy. We understand that every client brings their own unique story. And that's why we do this, because we want to learn that unique story and help that person with exactly what they need help with. Our current and past clients would point to the personal nature of our representation. From the first time that you call our firm, you'll tell that our receptionist truly cares about who you are and what you're going through, and they're going to connect you with the attorney or the paralegal that can best help you at that point. They're going to want to know what is going on with you right now. What is that pain that you're feeling, or what is that problem you're having, or what are you trying to achieve? From that point, we're going to want to understand even more so we can help you exactly at the point that you need it. We know our clients by their names. They're not case numbers, they're not client files, but they're actually people that go through problems. They share pictures of their families with us, and we learn about them and we get to know them throughout the course of a case. Client communication is incredibly important to us. It's actually the number one complaint that people make when they're not happy with their lawyer, so we know we have to focus on that more than almost anything else. We've made it easy for our clients to get in touch with the attorney or the paralegal on their case, and they can reach out either by text message, by a phone call that will get returned within 24 hours, or via email. If a client is not getting the communication that they deserve, that's something that's going to be addressed immediately and resolved without issue. We're a boutique family law firm, which means that we have a small number of attorneys who are very well experienced in handling anything from routine matters to highly complex divorces that may involve complex property division, business evaluation, clinical psychological experts in custody disputes. Our team is built so that we can work efficiently and effectively. We have an attorney who's managing the entire case. We have a paralegal who's handling all the documents, and we have a legal assistant who's helping the paralegal not to miss anything. So we cross all the T's and dot all the I's. As the attorney captains the ship, if you will, everybody on board is working to make sure that we're going towards the same destination, and that's the client's goals. If you're watching this video and you're thinking that you need some legal help, the best thing that you can do is to call a firm and book a consultation. There's nothing that replaces getting a one-on-one conversation with an attorney who knows the law in the area that you're having a problem with. You can either find an attorney by asking your friends or your family that maybe have gone through a similar problem if they know a good attorney, or you can look online. If you're looking online, make sure the attorney that you contact has good reviews on Google, that doesn't have any negative marks on their bar record. Reach out to them, book a consultation so you can get one-on-one help. When you get an initial consultation, what you can expect is about 45 to 60 minutes with an attorney learning about your situation. Usually the beginning of your consultation is you telling the attorney what's actually going on. Maybe you're getting a divorce and you currently live in the same house as your spouse and that you have children, and you're trying to figure out how do you actually go from living together as a unit to living in separate houses, taking care of your children. Once you explain that to the attorney and the attorney gets their questions answered, then they'll help you understand what your legal route is, your best legal options, and they'll talk to you about retainer fees, attorney's fees, that sort of thing. And if you decide to hire that attorney, at that point, it'll go from being a consultation to an attorney-client relationship.